Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the SUUNTO application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the watch icon in the top left corner. Now scroll down, find the option called Manage Connection, tap on it, then tap on Forget. Tap on OK, close the app, and go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will probably see the SUUNTO Race on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device. Then close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.